There's some cats. Redneck Byron. That's Patches. Yep, that's Lion. That's Duster. And that's Smokes. And then, of course, you met the dogs before, right? Yeah. Brown dog! Molly Brown! No, she's inside here. So then you got Brown Dog. And you got Trouble. I mean, yeah. That's Missy. There's no cat under there, girl. No cat. No cat. Come on, Brown Dog. So then back here on the pool deck, we got, there's the feral cat, the crazy cat. Yep, that's the feral cat. And then here's Lulu, the rabbit. This is Lulu. Or loose screw, depending on who's putting their hand in the cage. I'm the only one that can pet her. Everybody else gets bit. And then around back here, we got one more rabbit. It's a freaking farm, buddy. These rabbits I bought for the kids when they were little. And I've ended up taking care of them now for years. So, what's up, Bronco? That's Bronco. Hey, boy. What are you doing, boy? Get Bronco some water right here. What are you doing, big boy? Bring some food by in a minute, boy. Come on, girl. Leave the kitties alone. So anyway, that's it for the farm, buddy. Somebody wanted to see all the animals. I think that's all of them. That's the crazy one right there. She just stops by every once in a while. Just to eat. Come on, let's go, Missy! Missy's chasing her now. Hey, 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 hey! Where you going? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. There you go. Containment. So anyway, we're working on this, getting it finished up. Hans is putting some hard to get bolts in there. How's it going, buddy? Good? Ow. Ding, 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 ding.
How did you get the one all the way at the top?
It was very hard, buddy.
Yeah.
But you can use the wee wobble on the extension. The long extension with the wiggle should get in there.
I got it now. Thanks for telling me.
Well, you have to tighten them. So anyway, we got pretty much all the bolts going back into the bell housing. We got the flywheel swapped out, got the new clutch in there, and like I said, Hans is getting the hard to get ones, and as soon as he gets those done, I'll slide back under there and poke the transmission in there and bolt the shifter on, put the shift rods on, and hang the cross member. This has got a Trico cross member, so it's pretty easy to get in there. And I had the drive shaft still sticking in the back of the tranny until a little while ago, and pulled it out. But that's a Muncie, I guess, aluminum case. I would have cleaned it up a little better if it was going in my truck, but whatever. But yeah, so we'll get that poke back in there and get this done hopefully tonight. There we go, little action shot. Got the master cylinder mounted up under the floor here, and yeah, pretty good access in here. You know, got our battery here and training hole here. So we'll go ahead and get these tightened up, and we'll turn you guys back on in a little while, maybe for a test drive. So, yep. What do you think, buddy? About another half hour, you'll have it?
Oh, yeah.
Right on. Let's go ahead and tighten those up. I'm gonna go grab something to drink, and when I come back out, you can help me stab that tranny in. It's only 4 bolts there and 2 in the cross member. 4 more on each side and we'll be done. Well, there's a few other things I'm leaving out, but pretty basic. Hey, make sure there's no wires. I don't think I got any wires pinched, but just double check me, okay? Alright, brown dog. You guys didn't go for a ride today, huh? No ride? Nope. We gotta go for a ride. Maybe tonight we'll go for a ride, okay? I don't know. Hey, well, I didn't say right now. I got stuff to do, man. I can't be just driving you guys around all the time, you know? Yeah. Especially you, troublemaker. No. Let's not go for a ride in the truck. No, let's not do that. No. Cleaned up the old Ford motor. She's looking pretty good. Yeah, I don't know if some of you guys might not have seen that. That's the FE 390. It's all freshly rebuilt there. New valve springs, new retainers, new rocker shafts over there. I got to put on new camshaft. Got some sort of a, what are we putting here? A Howard camshaft. Thumpity thump, steak and shake cam.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, buddy.
Why did magnetic sockets never catch on?
Magnetic sockets?
Yep.
Well, they did. You need one?
That'll be helpful.
It's the wiggle wobble socket in general that screws you. You know, every time you get it just about where you want it, it wiggles. But yeah, usually the magnetic ones, I don't know why they didn't. You know, they make them. I just don't have any. I don't do tranny work a lot anymore. You know, I got out of that. Greasy. Remember when the house used to smell like automatic transmissions all the time?
No.
Oh, you were pretty young.
It smells like car.
Smells like car. Alrighty then. I'll go ahead and shut this off and let Hans work in peace.